Today's video is about how to extract the list of players who played in all three formats. Here is our input data in which the list of players of test formats are here. This is the list of players for ODI and this is the list of players for T20 format. Our requirement is to find the player who played in all three formats. Here you can see Aksar is there in all three formats. This is our requirement. Let me start with this from scratch from H3 cell. I will declare a variable called A in which I will refer that entire range here. Our first step is to stack this three column into a single column and try to get the unique items. For that now I will be using TOCOL function. I'll refer A. This is our result. I will try to get the unique items from here and I will sort this using the sort function. So I will call it as B. At the end, I will again call B so that the result will be populated here. Our second step here is we need to find the number of occurrences of this particular player in this range A. So for that, no, we can use comparison operator of equal with this particular player. If I press enter, you can see trues and falses. See, he is there in only one format. So to convert this into a zeros and numbers, I will be using double negative, which is the fastest method. Now we can easily sum this up so that we can get formats count. But Arshdeep is there in a single format. Instead of H3, if I refer H4, we can say Ashwin is there in one format. H5, Aksar is there in three formats. So if the count of appearance is 3, we need to extract this particular name. This is our requirement. I will be doing this in the same step. To iterate on each players, I will be using map function, which will help us to iterate on each players. For that, you need to declare a variable. I will be using X. So our calculation, customized calculation here is, we'll try to check whether X is there in A. In the same way what we did now, I will be doing it inside lambda function. To convert this into a ones and zeros, now I will be using double negative and I will sum this up. And as I said earlier, since our requirement is to find in three formats, now I will be using 3 here. We close the parenthesis for map and let. Here you can see trues and falses. We can use this true and false to filter variable B, which is a list of unique players. In the include argument, I will be using that map function, and then at the end I will close parenthesis and press enter. This is the list of players who plays in all three formats.